All right, welcome to day number 23. Yesterday I didn't took any trades. I did a community post saying that I was basically wrong on my bias, and then the long setups were not presenting themselves. And so we fast forward for today. We had Powell speaking at 3. So ever since New York opening up until this point, right here, I didn't trade. Then once we had this move lower, I started watching price action and looking for entries. And yeah, I'm just seeing now price just dropping after getting stopped out for. I didn't took the full loss, but yeah. Anyways, watched price action. So I was bearish on the day. I had this line here, which is a 12-hour target. We ended up trading above it. This right up here is a 4-hour order block. We traded on it. Then we broke structure. At this point, I think Powell was still speaking or live stream was still on, so I didn't trade here. And I only started watching price action up here. So with this in mind, there were no really good entries in this zone for me. This is a 5-minute order block, and this is a 5-minute fair value gap. I was expecting the 5-minute to manipulate here, and I would short it here on the 1-minute break of structure. So I was expecting something continuation, this order block right here, then a continuation, and then a drop down. We didn't get that. We sold straight off. Then I see this massive 5-minute candle, and I'm thinking, okay, anything between here and here is still bearish. I look at the 15-minute. I see this fair value gap here. So I said 15-minute is still bearish. 5-minute is still bearish. I'm just gonna wait for this whole price action to play out up until anywhere in this point. And you can see that we have this beautiful touch on the close, on the candle of the order block. Anyways, I waited. We get here. I see price rejection from here. This is a break of structure. And then I said, okay, I'm going to wait for a candle to engulf this. And after that, I decided to enter. The entry was a little bit higher because, I don't know, just price just reacted at the time that I placed the order. So my entry instead of here is just above here. And I've put my stop here. And immediately we get this push up into near these highs, and then we sell off immediately. And when I see these two candles forming, and especially this wick, I said, okay, I don't want price to come back up here again and potentially take me out for full loss. Because if it does, there's a chance that it goes higher. I don't know where to higher, but higher. Then we got that move. After that, I said, I'm going to put my stop loss here, and whatever happens, happens. So as you can see, I got taken out here. Price pumped up into this beautiful 5-minute candle, open candle, and then we just sold off immediately to my TP. So a little bit annoying there, but oh, also one more thing, which is very important, because I was watching price action since opening, and up here I was starting to get a little bit impatient. I just decided to go with half R risk. So this was a 125, 33 something dollars risk trade. So yeah, that's that. So not full risk. And I just decided to do that. Then, market decides to get really choppy on me, take me out, and go to my TP. Why was my TP here? Actually, it was a little bit higher. It was here. Because there's this breaker right here, and then there's this fair value gap here, and this could just act as a potential catalyst for a bounce, even if it's very short term. I just wanted to, I'm fine with the 2 risk to reward here. I don't want to target these lows and then spend up until 9 stuck in the charts watching all this price action develop. So overall, I would say very nice week. I wanted to actually close the trade here, but I said I'll be pretty mad if then price drops and I closed it here. So overall, good week. Followed the rules. I kinda messed up on Wednesday with that trade that I opened before news. But you know, I got out on time. Other than that, really good week. I was very patient on waiting for my setups. I was patient on everything to align. Um, it means that I take less trades, and from now on, we might get days where I don't take any trades. But I think it's better this way because I just protect my portfolio or my account from huge drawdowns. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week for day number 24.